Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, right click on the start icon and go to settings. Then click on these three lines and we need to click on accessibility. Then go to visual effects and we need to turn off all these three options: animation effects, transparency effects, and allow show scroll bars. So disable this one. Once done, close this window, then press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Now type in %temp %, then click on OK. Here you will get the lots of files and folders, so we need to select all these files together. Simply press Ctrl plus A together to select all these files, and you can click on delete. So once done, close this window, then right click on the recycle bin, select empty recycle bin and select all delete all the files from the recycle bin. Once done, just go to search bar and type here services.msc. You can just type services and click here to open it. Now just scroll down and go to Windows Update. Simply right click on it, go to properties, then select startup type as disabled, then click on apply and then OK. Again select Windows Update and click on stop the service. Once done, close this window and then right click on the taskbar, select task manager and find out the applications those are running on your system but you are not using them. For example, I wanted to close the task manager, or I can say I wanted to close the Windows Explorer. So I will simply right click on it and click on end task. If I close the file explorer, then I will go to run new task and simply I will type here explorer.exe and hit enter. There we go. That's it guys. Your problem will be solved, and yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. So you're good to go.